Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to activate wireless device with eSIM on AT&T network. So what we're gonna do? So these are the instructions. Just set up a eSIM. From the home screen, select the settings app, select cellular, then select add eSIM. After select a use QR code, and you will just use your iPhone camera to scan the QR code. Enter the details manually at the bottom of the screen to manually enter the plan information. Select continue and just tap for cellular plan. So just select your primary, and after you will just have to data switching switch and then select done. After just switch between cellular plan from the cellular screen, select the desired plan, then edit settings as desired. Then you will just have to select use primary line or personal. So just tap for primary, and after you'll just have to erase your eSIM. So that's it.